5 Best AI Tools for Graphic Designing. Number 1. Adobe Sensei AI. Adobe Sensei exemplifies how AI can enhance efficiency in design. By leveraging AI and machine learning, Sensei automates routine tasks and encourages innovative design solutions. This AI helper, embedded effortlessly within Adobe's suite of design tools, is a priceless resource for professional graphic designers and creatives. Sensei boosts creativity by taking care of mundane tasks, thereby allowing designers to focus on their art, integrated into the well-known Adobe suite. Sensei merges robust AI capabilities with familiar design tools, forming a comprehensive package for any designer. Prominent features of Adobe Sensei: AI automation of recurring tasks, a wide range of functionalities to boost creativity. Smooth integration with Adobe's suite of design tools. Second, Fronti AI. Fronti stands at the intersection of design and development, symbolizing the potential of AI in both domains. This AI graphic design tool simplifies the web design process by turning image designs into code, morphing a simple picture into a functional website with a few clicks. Fronti's utility goes beyond transforming designs into code. By generating custom HTML, CSS, and React code, Fronti offers versatility for both web designers and developers. Moreover, it notably reduces the time from concept to live site, making it an essential tool for web development. Standout features of Fronti: transforms image designs into operational websites, produces custom HTML, CSS, and React code, accelerates the web development process. Third, Autodraw AI. Autodraw, created by Google, showcases how accessible AI design tools can be. It effortlessly converts your rough sketches into refined illustrations. Its machine learning algorithm predicts what you're attempting to draw and presents a selection of polished sketches to choose from. Autodraw revolutionizes quick sketching and ideation by integrating AI. Its intuitive interface combined with machine learning makes it a suitable tool for everyone. From doodling enthusiasts to professional designers, whether you're working on a complex design project or just sketching for fun, Autodraw's predictive drawings enhance your creative journey. Key features of Autodraw: converts rough sketches into polished illustrations, uses machine learning to predict and improve drawings. Perfect for quick sketching and ideation. Fourth, Chroma.co. Chroma is an AI color tool that plays a significant role in the design process, particularly when it comes to color selection and consistency based on your aesthetic preferences. Chroma generates personalized color palettes, offering you infinite options that align with your style. Chroma transcends the role of a basic color tool by understanding your color preferences and delivering customized palettes. It makes finding the right color combination easier and ensures consistency in your designs, whether you're looking for color inspiration or aiming for uniformity across your projects. Chroma is an excellent choice. Top features of Chroma: creates color combinations based on user preferences, ideal for maintaining color consistency across designs. Great tool for color inspiration. Fifth, Let's Enhance. Let's Enhance is an AI-driven graphic design tool that improves the quality of your images without losing detail. It is especially useful for enlarging low-resolution images or restoring the quality of old photos. Using neural networks, it can add in details that were not initially present, delivering a high-quality image from even the most pixelated sources. Let's Enhance stands as a testament to the power of AI in image editing and restoration. It revitalizes low-quality images and ensures they meet the highest resolution requirements. Whether you're looking to enhance image quality for print or digital media, Let's Enhance offers an effective solution. Main features of Let's Enhance. Upscales images without compromising quality. Uses neural networks to fill in missing details. Ideal for preparing low-res images for print. Thank you for watching this video.